kindergarten. Let's practice our Z sound at the end of our words again. Remember, it's only made with the letter S. Please take your arms out, shake it awake, touch your shoulder, your elbow, your wrist, slide it down. Here we go. V-a-g, vug. Now let's add that last sound. Vugs, vugs. All right, kindergarten, let's switch it up. K-a-g, cug, cugs. Keep it up. K-a-n, kun, kuns. Good job, kindergarten. K-e-n, ken, kens. Keep going. I'm going to switch it to this one. H-e-n, hen, hens. H-e-b, heb, hebs. H-i-b, hib, hibs. Keep it up. U-i-b, lib, libs. U-ob, lob, lobs. Good job, kindergarten. W-ob, wob, wobs. W-ab, wab, wabs. W-am, kindergarten. We have one of our sight words right here, am. Wham, whams. Let's do one more, kindergarten. Here we go. Y-ad, yad, yads. Good job, kindergarten. Let's practice writing our words that have our S that makes the Z sound at the end. Go get out a piece of paper, a pencil, and an eraser, and I'll see you right back here. Our first word today is dims. Dims. Make sure you pause the video and write it, and then come back and check with me. Dims. All right, if you're checking with me, that means that you've already written your word. Here we go. Dims. D. 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 I. I. I'm scrunching my nose. I. D. M. M. Dim. Now I just want to turn it into dims. I just add S. Your next word, kindergarten, is frogs. Frogs. Make sure you pause the video to write it and then come back and check with me. Frogs. All right, kindergarten, if you're hanging out with me now, that means you already wrote your word, frogs. Let's sound it out together. Fur. 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 That's F-R. Fur. 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 Oh. That's an O. Frog. G. That's a G. Frog. Now I just want to turn it into frogs. Frogs. Z. I hear Z at the end, but I know not to put a Z. I know to put an S. Frogs. Your next word, kindergarten, is bags. Bags. Please help me carry in the bags. Bags. Press pause, go write your word, and then come back and hang out with me. Bags. All right, if you're ready to sound it out, here we go. B. 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 A. A. B. A. G. 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 And if I just want to turn bag into bags, I just put an S. Good job, kindergarten. You have one more word today, and that is pens. Pens. Do you have all of the pens? Press pause and go write your word, and then come on back. Pens. P. That's a P. E. N. Now I just want to turn pen into pens. Ooh, that must be S, kindergarten. All right, kindergarten, instead of covering up our S's today, we're just going to ignore them. We're just going to pretend they're not even there. So we're going to sound out the first 3 sounds, and then we'll come back and add our S, our Z sound. Here we go. D, I, M. Dim, dims. You can either point and slide with your finger, or you can use your arm, whichever one you want to do. I'm just going to point today. Let's do this one right here. B-A-G. Bag, bags, bags. Let's go down here, kindergarten. Fur, remember, F-R, fur. Frog, frog, frogs, frogs. Look at all those frogs. And our last one, kindergarten. Pen, pen, pens. Good job, kindergarten. Would you please check and make sure if you have room on your paper to write? If you need a new piece, you can go get one now. And make sure you have your pencil and eraser. You have a sentence next. Your sentence today, kindergarten, is all of the pens are in the cup. All of the pens are in the cup. Let's see how many words are in that sentence. All of the pens are in the cup. 8 words today, kindergarten. Let's say it one more time before you go and write. All of the pens are in the cup. Let's check out our sentence today, kindergarten. It should always end with either a period or a question mark. It should always have a finger space in between the words. It should always start with a capital letter, and of course it should always make sense. It doesn't matter which order you check all of those things in as long as your sentence has all of them. So today I'm going to go a little out of order. Oh, there goes my pen. I'm going to go a little out of order, and I'm going to check for either a period or a question mark at the end. Whoop, I have a period at the end. You know what else we could always put? And I do. Oh, there goes your warm fuzzy. Hang tight, kindergarten. I'll be right back. Okay, I have your things. All right, kindergarten. A sentence can also end with this really interesting looking thing. It looks like an upside down I, an upside down lowercase I. But really, and some of us already know this, this is an exclamation point, which means that when we read this sentence, we read it excitedly. To exclaim means to say it excitedly, to say it loudly. So an exclamation is another way to say exclaim, exclamation point. It's just a little point, like a line going down with a dot, and it just means to say it loudly, say it excitedly. So when I read this sentence in just a little bit, that's how I'm going to read it because I added an exclamation point. Not all sentences need an exclamation point because you wouldn't yell or exclaim everything. If you write a sentence that says, I am sad, you wouldn't go, I am sad. You wouldn't do that. You'd probably go, I am sad. So you'd put a period at the end of that one. You wouldn't shout that. But if you are really happy about something, if you say, I ate a donut, you might go, I ate a donut! And you would put an exclamation point, kindergarten. So I'm going to leave this exclamation point right here so that I can read this sentence excitedly. You don't have to have an exclamation point for this sentence. If you put a period, that is fine too. You don't always have to shout or yell or exclaim everything. You could just say it normally like this. Let's check for an uppercase letter, kindergarten, a capital letter. Here we go. Beautiful. Uppercase A. I like it a lot. Looks kind of like a mountain right there. Beautiful. Let's check for those finger spaces. And you know what? I'm going to go backwards today with my finger spaces. There's one, and another, and another. Looking good, looking good, looking good. All right, kindergarten. we have this exclamation point at the end. So we are going to read this sentence excitedly. Can you do that with me while you're at home? Here we go. All of the pens are in the cup. I said it excitedly. Let's do it one more time. All of the pens are in the cup. I don't know why we're excited about pens being in a cup. Maybe we lost our pens and we're like, all of the pens are in the cup. We're excited because we found them all. Kindergarten, I usually forget this part, but you don't ever have to forget it just because I forget it. You can give yourself a star, kindergarten. Just because Miss Stoller forgets that part sometimes doesn't mean you can't give yourself a star too. Please, of course, give yourself a star if your sentence looks awesome. Also, make sure that you are illustrating your sentences. Make sure that you use 3 or more colors for your sentences. Illustrating is a very important part of our writing process, just in case some of you want to write a whole book one day. That way you can illustrate too. Kindergarten, you are doing a fabulous job today. It is a marvelous Monday. Let me say that with an exclamation point. It is a marvelous Monday, and I think you guys are doing a great job. Here is your warm fuzzy. That's your third one for today. Keep up the good work. I'll see you guys later.